Breaking news here on Martyn Lucas Investor. It's official. The news is out. Release. It's go for launch. Go for launch. Here it is on May 25th. Of course, we'll be there for it. We've got the team. We've got the pilots ready to go. These are our pilots. They call them astronauts, but we've got to be very careful with that term. We've discussed this before. Astronaut 002, Beth Moses. Luke Mays, astronaut 005. Jamila Gilbert, astronaut 007. I bet she loves that one. Christopher Huey, astronaut 006. We all know who astronaut 001 is, of course, Sir Richard Branson himself. When? May 25th. Okay, so we are go for launch with Virgin Galactic. What does that mean? What are we going to do about it? Well, Virgin Galactic is up to date 4.51. I'm trading it in my Roth IRA. I'm holding it in my main brokerage position. In my main brokerage position, I am not trimming off the top until we go way up near the 30s. Then I will trim. You have to trim no matter how good you think it is. You've got to take profits. My Roth IRA is where I will trade it in and out along the journey. My Roth, my main account, I will just trim off the top when it hits some really good highs like that. So Virgin Galactic, we're getting ready for it. Are you ready? Will you join us on May 25th? Of course, we will be there live with it. If you click above my head, that will take you to the special event. May 25th. Go for launch. Fantastic. So we are ready. This is Sir Richard Branson here waiting on the tarmac. Very, very exciting. We are looking forward to it. This is what will happen on May 25th. We'll get above the desert in New Mexico, and they will utter those words, release. And there she goes. She'll go into space. Absolutely fantastic. And if this is successful, which of course, you always have to remember, things can go wrong, but we are optimistic. We are bullish. It's why Virgin Galactic has spent so much time getting this in place. It'll be great. And then we'll have the commercial flights, and then finally, we'll start to see Virgin Galactic make some money. So how are you investing in this stock? Are you already in? Are you waiting? The big money, I'll tell you, hasn't even entered the race yet. The big money hasn't even joined the party. Because let's be honest, if you've got a lot of money, if you're a multimillionaire, if you're a billionaire, you're an institution, when do you buy a rocket company? When it's at $100 a share, when it has a potential to go to $1,000 a share, when it's flying every week, it's now a main airline company, it's got people booked out for a year in advance, it's making profits, it's got stability, you know where it's going. Do you buy it then? Or do you buy it now at $4.42 when it could all go to zero if the worst happens and it crashes? And rockets do crash. Things do go wrong. It's not proven yet. So as a business, as a big investor, I am absolutely convinced that once this starts to fly regularly, which I believe it will, but I don't know, nobody actually does. I was watching a video yesterday about the Wolf of Dubai. The Wolf of Dubai was saying that he has gone all in, all his money's on Virgin Galactic. Well, I think that's crazy. I wouldn't do that, no matter how bullish I am on any stock. I love Virgin Galactic. I like Tesla. There's other things I like. There's the S&P 500. I don't think you should be all in on any stock because things can go wrong. That's not responsible. And as a broadcaster on YouTube, Rumble, TikTok, Twitter, and all the places that I go live to, I don't think it's responsible telling anyone, because you are setting a precedent for people to suggest you should go all in on any stock. I think it's a crazy thing to do. If you've got a chunk of your change on Virgin Galactic and it goes up 20%, you're not doing the wrong thing by taking a profit. It doesn't matter how much money you have, how big your investment is. It's all about percentages. If you're making a profit, take a profit. That's what it's all about at the end of the day. And right now, remember, I'm making more money than Virgin Galactic. How is that possible? Because Virgin Galactic are still losing money. I, however, am making money every time I trade it. So just remember, if you are an investor or a trader or anywhere in between, if you're making money, you're making more money than Virgin Galactic is right now. And that's important. Now, of course, they pay themselves a decent wage. I bet the engineers and the CEO earn a lot more than I do on YouTube. Of course they do. But the company itself is losing money. So you're making money, you're doing well. That's all that matters. So I wish everybody the very best. Join us live on May the 25th. We'll be there live, of course. Click above my head for a special, and it's going to be a great day. I cannot wait for May 25th. All I have to say now is go for launch. Release, release, release.